The robots, they're interesting and they always keep me on my toes, and there's always something new happening to them. There's always a new program to make, and they're developing new parts, so it keeps it interesting, so it keeps you hooked.
From a safety and ergonomics perspective, it's been a game changer for us.
The automation has helped, especially for the press brake side of picking parts up. Instead, we have main beams, they're about 120 pounds, and it takes about 2 to 3 people. Then, with the robots that you guys program, Acieta, has helped the lifting, so we're not less strain on people, and also help increase the production time and rate of making parts. Ergonomically, I don't really have very much. I don't have back pain. I don't have to worry about back pain. I don't have to worry about no strain in my hands, arms, my legs, or anything like that. Just lifting it does everything for you. For instance, on sidebars, these would probably take a person to bend maybe 5 minutes, but now it only takes maybe a minute tops.
The parts that are large, heavy, unwieldy are able to be formed a lot more accurately, a lot quicker, and just with very high repeatability.
Automation has helped Great Dane retain more people. They used to have high turnover because they go back there in the assembly line, they're busting their backs and stuff, bending over. There's a lot of hands-on manpower. You have to do everything by hand. But with automation, it decreases that. And there's little to almost no back-breaking work or anything like that. And it'll help Great Dane in the long run.
The consistency is just nonstop. I mean, so over manual labor, it's way better, definitely.